Well, if I could, I'd work with you every day. Because I do feel that, my body responds to what you do. It's very different than going and getting a massage or going and get physical therapy. And it's kind of not easy to explain, but it's easy if you experience it, of how your body feels afterwards. I don't compare it to massage. It's energy and deep, like joint opening. But it's energy, it's moving the chi in my body, like our chi gets stuck. And so by what you're doing, you're making the chi energy flow again so that we can have more movement.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's like balancing out the body. I feel like it's like a 1 hour meditative experience of me just having you work on me, and it's like, yeah. The way I also think of it is the faucet or a hose. You turn off the water, water can't flow. Turn on the water can flow. And this is the same technique.
There you go.
Same way to think about it.
Exactly.
Energy, it needs to flow.
Exactly. Well, this is the oldest known form of body work in the world that I practice, called Tui Na. So it's pretty tried and true.
Don't know anything about it.
Isn't that funny? I'm convinced we could teach it to 10-year-old kids. Like, it's not difficult, right? It's
About
just,
5-year-olds.
You could start teaching them at 5.
Five needs to do some of it.
Well, I mean, a 5-year-old could do this and can learn this.
Yeah. This
simple stuff.
going down your leg.
Right?
Yeah.
Not
Start at
complicated at
5.
all. Next summer, 2026, we're going to have retreats here on the beach in Carb, El Capitan State Beach. So I want to teach this stuff to anybody who wants to come out. And please, love it if you'd be there and your demonstration body, if anything. And here is a very fast time lapse of the session we did together. You can see the power of joint opening Tui Na. This is what led her to make those comments, seeming very pleased with the work that we did together here. Best way to learn is hands-on. Go to healingisfree.com where you can learn more about my healing retreats every summer on the stunning beaches of Santa Barbara.